Justin Bruce joining us live from home right now. I'm not going to lie, it's extremely distracting because there's lightning just like that flashing behind me on air as I'm reading. So you're going to tell us what's going on today.
Yeah, just watch that. That's really cool, and we've got some hefty downpours kind of moving along the 95 right across downtown Las Vegas, north end of the Strip, especially in area seeing some of the more concentrated lightning, and then down here on the south side where I am, lightning all over the place. So very active morning. We get you right to 13 first alert Desert Doppler, and there's this arm that stretches from northern Arizona across southern Nevada over toward Death Valley. This is associated with a weak upper level weather system over the deserts of Southern California, but giving us just enough lift to squeeze out some of this moisture that's in the clouds. And I mean, it was clear a couple of hours ago. These clouds have literally kind of just formed in the last 1 to 2 hours. We take you to the southwest, and although it's not pouring in the southern highlands or around Mountain's Edge, just a mile or two to your south, the rain is coming down and you can obviously hear the thunder. We take you to West Henderson and places around Sun City, Anthem, Anthem Highlands, down here around Inspirada. We're seeing some showers out our window. Over toward parts of downtown Henderson, you can see that there is plenty of raindrops to go around. Boulder City has been in and out of the wet weather this morning, but here's what's responsible for the lightning that's illuminating the view behind Kalyna, this hefty downpour. Right now, on top of the north end of the Strip, up around Sahara and Las Vegas Boulevard, this is all drifting to the northwest. So for all the folks who wrote me yesterday in Centennial Hills and said, when are we going to get any rain? Well, it looks like it's headed in your direction. And Futurecast doing a pretty good job of showing the scattered showers and thunder showers out there this morning. Should be a break middle of the day. But then during the afternoon, scattered storms will pop back up over the mountains, and we can't rule out a stray storm sneaking into the valley later this afternoon. But first things first, we've got widespread rain and wet roads this morning, plenty of clouds and temperatures down in the upper 80s. Believe it or not, I am expecting some peaks of sun through the middle of the day. So if you are going to try to get out to the pool, don't forget the sunscreen. It's going to be above 107 this afternoon. And we'll see a few late day breezes from the south at about 20 miles per hour. We're headed to 109 today. Of course, that would be in between any of these stray afternoon downpours. And even this evening, some clouds will linger. And I can't completely rule out another stray shower tonight. Temperatures tonight pretty mild, only dropping into the 80s. So, it was 3 dry months here in Las Vegas. We finally saw a couple of raindrops yesterday, and now we've got 4 consecutive days. Kalyna with scattered showers or storms in the forecast. Not a washout every day, but we'll be watching the sky. Obviously, if you hear thunder and you're outside, time to head inside so you don't get struck by lightning. Kalyna, I'm looking for a drier, kind of warm, sunny weather pattern to return Friday through next weekend.
All right, Justin, thank you so much.